We've been dreaming of going on a fancy vacation for a long time, and we are about to find out who's going to get it. $1 or a gold card. Oh no, what can you buy with that? Whoa, we got lucky. Bye, losers. I know you'll love it, Polly. There you go. You can look. Oh, it's just amazing! I can't believe it! It's so beautiful! I just wanted you to be surprised! And I am! Look at this view! Justin's not bad either. So what if it's in a tent? At least it's free! We're almost there, Alice! You can open your eyes now! Wow! This place is great! Justin, you are so romantic! This is all for you! We're going to have a great time! It's time to enjoy the sun! Oh, great! Here's the perfect spot! Let's just find a good position! Yeah, I don't think it was that hard! Of course! Why didn't I think of this before? Polly, look at her! Hey, you're blocking the sun! Come on, let's go! That's just how she is, honey! Perfect! What a beautiful place! It's so comfortable! Should we go for a swim?
No.
Oh no! I think I'm going to lie here for a while. You go! It's time to test the gear! Let's go, Alex! Start diving! Whoa! What is that?
What?
Hey, are you serious? Hey! What are you doing here, loser? Let's see who's the loser! Alice, I have a surprise for you! Wow! Really? Earrings? They are beautiful! Do you really like it? Thank you, Justin! You're the best! Let's take some selfies! Polly, I got something for you! Oh, wow! That's amazing! Those are real pearls! Wow! So fancy! Thank you! Should we go for a ride? I think it'll be fun! Here you go! Look at these losers! Ciao! See you never!
Goodbye!
We'll see about that! Alice, are you ready? Let's go! It's too slow! We have to think of something! What if... Awesome! It won't be long, babe! That's great! No one will notice this rope! Okay, let's go! We are going to have the time of our lives! Let's take a selfie, Alex! It's so beautiful here! When rich people go fishing, they go fully stocked. Justin's here too. What is he going to catch with that harpoon? A rock? Come on! What even is that? That's crazy! It's a fishing rod! Oh, wow! Hey, buddy, time to get the fish, if you say so! Attention, all posts! Ready to dive! All right, let's do it! Oh, it's you again! Look what I got! Amazing! You're the Fisherman of the Year! Let's see who has the last laugh! Hey, look, Alex! What's going on over there? Oh, that's nothing! That's just my catch! You like it? Seriously? I've never seen anything like this! Okay, I have to go! Have a good one! Follow me! That's all right! I won't come back empty-handed either! Good afternoon! Please come in! We have been waiting for you! Wow! A gold card! Rest assured, all the best makeup is waiting for you! Please choose! I think this shade! It's beautiful! You have great taste! There! It's done! You're gorgeous!
Yes!
Yeah, not bad! I like it! Have a nice day! See you soon! Hi! I have what she's having! Are you sure? What about the money? Oh, sure! No problem! Will that be enough?
Oh, no.
It depends on what. Okay, we'll think of something. Wait! Well, let's get started. It's done. You can look. Oops, I think you forgot something. Sorry, that was all you can get for that amount. Hi, Justin. What do you think? Wow, that's pretty unusual. I like it. Good. And how are you doing? New rod? Not only that, look what else I got. Come on, Polly. Let's see who's who. Don't get your hopes up, Alex. It won't be easy.
Yeah.
A hit. Another hit. Take that. I told you. It can't be. This must be a misunderstanding. It's okay. I'll get even. Let's go get something to eat. Whoa. Look at this table. This food is great. Yeah, it tastes amazing. The cake just melts in your mouth. Look, butterflies. So beautiful. I'm in paradise. I love picnics. Do you like it, Alice? It's so good. I love hot dogs. It's not crowded at all. We are so lucky. Oh no! What is that? It's a bummer that there's a big highway nearby. Wow! Look! Mosquitoes! So many of them! Let's see who can kill the most!
Oh!
Come on, Justin! Be brave! Look! That's my favorite movie! No way! We're going to the premiere! What now? Come on! Let's watch my movie! But it's boring! Excuse me, isn't it time to pay? The movies cost exactly the same! Oh no! I got nothing! Then what are you waiting for? The exit is over there! Wait a minute! I definitely had some money somewhere! Here! $1? Very nice! Get out of here! Now! Oh! Unbelievable! Did it work? It's not enough! We can't do it! Oh no! Although, I think I have an idea! Oh wow! That's genius! Whoa! Somebody lost a bill! Today's my day! No one's going to see it anyway! Hey, where are you going? You can't hide from me! Awesome! I told you it would work! Now we are employees at the movie theater! Look who's coming! Let's disguise ourselves!
Hey!
Good afternoon! We want to buy out the whole theater!
Wow.
Oh, no problem! Come on in! Come on, Alex! The movie's about to start! Whoa! Did you see that? This is awesome! An entire theater just for us! That's the best! Excuse me, can we get in? Can't you see it's occupied? But we have tickets! Oh, popcorn? That's good! Hey, what's going on here? This is an outrage! I want to speak to the manager! Keep your voice down! I can't hear! It's a great movie, right? Yeah! Polly, are you bored? You're right. Let's go somewhere else. Whoa! They're leaving! Come on, let's go! This is our chance! Nice! And we left the popcorn! That's so lucky! Well, well, who do we have here? Oops! We were looking for you! Run! Wow! Just in time! My goodness! What a great movie! It's a beautiful meadow! There are so many beautiful flowers! Oh, Alex, you're crazy! Real horses? They are so cute! Would you like to go for a ride? Of course! I've never seen them so close! They are adorable! Horse riding is so great! You really surprised me! Oh, yes!
Wow,
I just
that's
love
really
horses,
great.
too! Look how beautiful it is here! I have to take a picture! My followers will be so jealous! Come on, let's go! There are so many interesting things here. Horse racing? Really? Almost. That's a great idea, Justin. This is so much fun. I knew you'd like it. That's not all. You deserve these lovely flowers. Oh, Justin, you are so romantic. They're beautiful.
Oh, wow.
How about an Instagram photo? That's a great idea. This is going to turn out great. What a great dinner. Let's get the check. Here's your bill. Here, let me help 2 different vacations? Where are you going on vacation this summer? We're waiting for your answer in the comments. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and click the bell. Don't miss any new sketches about different lifestyles on Troom Select.